In this upcoming lab, you're going to manage several user properties in Microsoft Entra ID. However, before handing the wheel over to you, let's quickly walk through the lab steps so you have an idea of what to expect. To get started, you'll first navigate to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center and click the Identity dropdown. From there, you'll expand the Users dropdown to access a list of user-specific options. Clicking All Users will display a complete list of users in your tenant. And for this particular exercise, you'll select Dave Jones from that list to manage his user properties. Once you've selected Dave, you'll see the option to edit his properties in the top navigation bar. Clicking that will allow you to make changes to his user profile, including both his personal and job-related information. Next, you'll head over to the Job Information tab, where you'll be able to update details like his department and the company he's associated with. In this case, you'll start by clicking the company name field. Here, you'll type Surf City Boats and press Enter to update the organization Dave is linked to. After that, you'll move to the department field where you'll enter Finance, since Dave works in that department, and then press Enter to save that update. Following this, you'll add Dave's employee ID by clicking the Employee ID field, entering his ID, and pressing Enter. You'll also specify Dave's office location by clicking the Office Location field and entering New York, as that's where he's based. After pressing Enter to confirm that detail, you'll move on to assign Dave's manager. Clicking the Add Manager option will allow you to select Joey Knish from the list of available managers, since Joey is Dave's immediate supervisor. Once you've made your selection, you'll click Select to confirm Joey as Dave's manager. To make sure all these updates are applied, you'll click Save. After saving, you'll move on to managing Dave's group memberships. By clicking the Groups tab, you'll see a list of groups Dave belongs to. In this exercise, you'll be removing Dave from the AADDC Administrators group. To do that, you'll select the group, click Remove Memberships, and confirm the action by clicking OK. Once that's done, you'll return to the Overview tab where you'll wrap up the lab. At this point, you'll have successfully managed all of Dave Jones' user properties in Microsoft Entra ID, including his job details, group memberships, and manager assignments.